Yo, what's up guys? Back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review slash showcase of the Halo Mega Bloks Series 1 random figures. Now this guys actually is the original series of Halo Mega Bloks figures. This is the entire first series. I went back and found all of my old ones from the first series. I have a couple of the first series complete. But yeah, this is the complete first series, and I think I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a review on it, because why not? We have the complete set here. So let's go ahead and start with the lesser rare ones. We got, firstly, a purple Elite. Now this is the old color scheme for these, and I think they improved the Elites, in my opinion, in the recent past. They have improved their Elites drastically, I believe, as well as their Spartans, honestly, but this is what you got in the first series back in, I believe, like 2010 or 11 or so, maybe, is when these came out. The purple Elite came with a purple plasma pistol, and he was a common figure. Now, moving on to another common figure, we have the Pelican Pilot from the first series. This was one of the cooler ones that they put in this first series, in my opinion, because he was a unique figure. Pretty cool. He's got a blue visor print on him and some other yellow kind of unique prints to him. He is a unique looking figure. Comes with the old style SMG that I'm not really the biggest fan of, but overall still a cool figure. Very cool, unique prints to him when talking about ODSTs, because not many ODSTs look just like him. I think he looks quite cool. Now guys, one of the coolest figures ever made, I believe, by Halo Mega Bloks is the blue Hayabusa. Check that out for a second, guys. This figure is unbelievably cool. I can't believe I actually got my hands on this back in the day. For quite a good price. I believe they fetch way too much nowadays, but just look at that. I understand why. Very cool. It used to be hard to find those pieces back in the day when they first started making these figures. But yeah, very cool, guys. Blue Hayabusa with samurai sword. So he was one of the ultra rares in this series. The next figure, we're just going down the lineup now, actually. The next figure, also another ultra rare, is the Green Elite. Now this is one of my favorite figures actually ever made too. I think the Green Elites are quite cool. They've only made maybe one or two more, and they have completely different Elite style armor. So this is one of my favorites for sure. Really love this Elite. Came with an energy sword. Very cool figures. As you can see, these are the ultra rares that we did receive in this series. Very cool ultra rares. I think these are some of, if not the best ultra rares we've ever received before. Very cool figures. Now let's go ahead and jump into these commons over here before we get to the ultra rare, or the rarest one. We have a red marine with rocket launcher and backpack. Quite a cool figure. I like the closed face Marines a lot personally. I think this design of figure was not bad at all. And I think they still do this one sometimes, but not for the most part. They do open face Marines nowadays. But yeah, very cool. I love the closed face Marines style figure, red with rocket launcher. He is another one of the common figures included in this set. And the last common but unique figure to this series is this Yellow Flame Marine. Now the Yellow Flame Marine is, like I said, unique to the series, but he is a unique colorway that you cannot find anywhere else. So I believe, although he is common, he is quite a rare figure, because he's hard to come across, as he was only available in these packs. But once again, a very cool figure. I think he's kind of cool. I'm not the biggest fan of the yellow color scheme, but he's a cool figure nonetheless. And lastly, actually before our rarest one, is a green Mark 6 Spartan or Mark 5 Spartan with energy sword. So this is one of the commons they included in the set, but I think it was very cool that they went above and beyond and decided to include an energy sword, because it's always better to get an energy sword than a assault rifle or something like that if all the other figures already have them. Very cool figure indeed. And lastly, guys, the incredibly rare figure nowadays that's way too expensive, which I will show you in 1 second. The Active Camo Spartan from Series 1. Now this, guys, is one of my favorite figures of all time. I've kept him in good condition over the years, thankfully, and that has made him kind of stay nice. Oh boy. That has made him stay, for the most part, nice, except for the fact that he has had some troubles with the parts because, like I've said in my old videos, some of the old Mega Blocks like to deteriorate because of the sun, actually. But for the most part, he looks great. Still got the assault rifle on there. A very, very cool figure in general. Like I said, one of my favorite Mega Bloks figures to ever be released. A very, very cool figure, guys. Check that out. Like I said, I replaced the parts where I needed to that still matched him for the ones that were broken, but for the most part he stayed good. But this old plastic that they used to use was quite cheap compared to the stuff they use nowadays. But there we are, guys. That is the last figure in the series and the rarest one. And that is going to go ahead and wrap up this video, guys. If you did enjoy, go ahead and leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Go ahead and check out my last video, guys. I talked about a giveaway. I actually announced a giveaway at 250 subscribers, so go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a comment on my last video if you want to be entered in that giveaway, guys. So go ahead and do that. Don't forget to do that. Leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. See you guys.